We'll guide you through how to fix an iPad that won't turn off. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So this can be a frustrating problem because you want it to go and be turned off, you no longer want it on. Now, there are different scenarios you may be facing here. You may be facing that it doesn't automatically turn off, so you can have it set so after a certain time frame it automatically locks and turns off. Or you may be finding that it's not responsive. You're trying to go and press the button and it's not turning off. Maybe it's even frozen. So we're going to guide you through those two different scenarios. So make sure this is full guide, as we're going to hopefully cover the one you're looking for. So if you just wanted to automatically turn off and lock after a certain amount of time, you need to come into your settings. I know this may not be what you're looking for, but keep watching. Scroll down and you want to find display and brightness. Then you can scroll down to auto lock. So auto lock is going to automatically turn it off after 2, 5, 10, or 15 minutes. So let's go and see when it's set to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes of inactivity, the iPad will go and lock and turn off. Now, you may be in the scenario of where you're trying to go and press this button and it's not turning off, it's staying on. So let's guide you through how you can fix this. What you want to do is go and have your iPad horizontally, and you want to make sure you've got the volume rockers and the button in the top corner. You're going to press the left volume button, then the right, and you can tap and hold the side button. Now, if the screen is not working, if you're finding the iPad isn't changing at all, don't worry, just keep it held down. Shortly, it should go black, and you keep it held down even when it's gone black. You only release it when you go and see the Apple icon. And now the iPad is starting again, and it shouldn't be much longer, and it should then go and be back on. So keep waiting, and here we are. And then, hopefully you can then go and use the side button again as normal when you want to go and turn it off. So that's it. We just unlock it, just to show you it's working, and there we go. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future with more how-tos. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.